Hello YouTube, this is Chrono16 here. I want to address a rumor that's getting started out there about a huge solar flare that supposedly took place on October 11th. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. There was no huge flare that took place on October 11th. And the rumor got started because of some footage coming from the C2 camera on the SOHO probe that's facing the sun, the LASCO C2 camera here you see here, and then there's a LASCO C3 camera seen there, which is in blue. And what we have here is a couple of glitches that appear in the footage. As I play this, you saw that one there, and there's a second one that's so quick you probably, if you blinked, you probably didn't even see it. So let's go back here frame by frame and address these glitches in the camera here. Now we go to October 11th at 1540, and you can see that there's some sort of weird looking glitch in the image of the camera here. Now what's causing this, I don't know, but I do know what's not causing it. It's not a solar flare. This is not a result of a huge solar flare. There's some sort of glitch. You have to remember this probe is facing the sun. It's getting interfered with by a lot of activity from the sun sometimes, and it causes glitches in the camera and in the systems sometimes. So what I can say is this is not caused by a solar flare. This is not a solar flare. If anything, if you want to speculate, you could say possibly that maybe this is an image superimposed over it or something. I doubt it. Now, if you go farther here to the next day at about 1:47 on the 12th, if I can get that to go in there, it happens again the next day. Same weird looking glitch. Now, this second glitch here, if you want to speculate, or it appears that it could be a second image imposed over another image of the sun here. If you look at the difference right here in the lines, you can see that it almost looks like it's a totally different image imposed over another image here. So if there's some sort of manipulation going on with the imagery, maybe that was imposed to block out something. I don't know, but it does appear that it's a second image imposed over another image in this particular frame at 1:47 on the 12th. I'm not saying that's what it is, but it appears to be that way on this second glitch. But there was no massive solar flare that happened on the 11th at all. And if you go to solarham.com here, you can see that the solar activity actually right now is very low. It's in the green, which is very good, which means there are no flares heading this way. Now the solar activity itself is picking up. As you can see, there are more sunspots coming around 1314, a new one here, and 1316 and 1317 as they come around and face this way on the sun. So I do suspect solar activity will increase, but there is no huge solar flare heading toward Earth as of right now. So the people out there starting rumors talking about it, was that a huge solar flare on 11th? No huge solar flare as of the 13th of October here coming toward Earth at all, caused from any huge solar flare that happened on the 11th. Thanks for watching.